Hi and welcome back to the channel on what is yet another hot, sunny British day. They are few and far between, so let's make the most of this. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about the wheels of the Tesla Model 3. Now they come as standard with wheel covers, and there's a number of reasons for that. They increase the aerodynamics, which in turn increases range, they protect your wheel, and of course they look good. There is undeniably an aesthetic element to them. But some people like the alloys underneath and just want to show them off. Well, today I'm going to show you an enhancement that will allow you to do that while still protecting your wheels and arguably making them look just a little bit better. So stay with me and I'll show you the installation. Now the Model 3 comes with these plastic covers as standard, and I think they look pretty good. Now the earlier generations had these grey ones, and this newer model, like the one I have, has these black versions, and I think they look fab, particularly in contrast to say a white car, or the red in this case. Look good on the others, don't get me wrong, but I think they really stand out there. Now I of course also tried some different covers in one of my recent videos. These ones look just like the turbine alloys that Tesla sell, and I really like them. But if you do want to reveal the alloy, you want to make sure that you're still protecting your wheel and making the alloy look good, because there are some exposed bits that don't look that great. Now when you do take the covers off, this is the wheel that you're greeted with. Now it's great around the outside, obviously the rim looks great, the fact it's still black or dark grey is really nice, and it's slightly metallic, but you're left with these exposed areas in the middle. Now you can buy kits from Amazon. I've got a cheap one that I bought here, which is literally just a bit that pops in the middle. I pop that in, and it sort of fits, but not brilliantly. It's trying to pop back out. Oh, and I've just broken it. There you go. So that was for my old Tesla. So there's definitely a lesson in there that the old ones don't fit the new cars. Okay, but also within the kits you get these plastic covers which you can put over the nuts, so at least they're not quite so exposed. So if you imagine that we did manage to get that in without breaking it, which I may well still be able to fix, then you end up with a relatively exposed area in the middle still, and potentially this Tesla logo in the middle, which looks okay, but I don't think it looks great. But I have an alternative. Now a company I've worked with before called Teslaunch, their website is up there, please do go and explore their options, have sent me a potentially fantastic solution to the problem that I think we face here. You don't want it to look cheap, you don't want it to look like a relatively exposed wheel, but you do still want to protect the wheel and enhance it. And that's what this kit is designed to do. So we're going to open it together, and again this is another one where I've not looked through it, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. So I'll take everything out. Oops, the box there, so we'll get rid of that. And then this box here, let's see what's in it. Okay, so in here what you've got, I'm just going to do this one wheel at this point and then we'll go around and do them all, is you start with a centre. Now unlike the centre where I just had that little hub that went in the middle on the other wheel, this covers the entire centre section, so you don't need to worry about having anything to cover the nuts and bolts. So this will just pop on right in the middle and looks far more complete straight away. So that immediately looks better. It looks like the wheel is meant to have that in the middle. So that's a great start. But there's a second piece to it. And this bit is the bit that interests me the most, because this is designed to protect your rims. And it has this great reflective feature all the way around, and I think these look really quite cool. So let's put them on the car and see how they look. Now we start by finding where the tyre valve goes, which is there, and then we line that up, and if I look at this I can see there's little clips all the way around which will clip onto the existing spokes. So if I just line that up and then start clicking, this should be a very quick and easy installation. And there you have it. And I think that's quite cool. It's covering the rim right to the edge, so it's protecting it. The centre now looks filled in. It colour matches the wheel itself, maybe slightly different, but not enough that you'd really notice. This centre hub looks great. You can see the brake disc. It's much more exposed. You can see the brake block in there, and it looks pretty cool, actually. Let's step back and have a proper look at it. It just looks slightly bigger because it's got this enhancement on it. I'm going to put this on all 4 of my wheels, and then I'll show you around. Now, I'll be completely transparent with you. I was not sure how I'd feel about these, but actually I really quite like it. It's got good looking wheels on this car, and these just enhance it. And I think they kind of glow in the dark. It makes it look even more like Lightning McQueen than when I first saw the car. I think they're good. I think they're good, and I love the protection in the middle. I think it looks really great. I would genuinely say if you really want to embrace the alloys on your Tesla Model 3, these are definitely well worth considering. So thank you so much for watching. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like down below, and please hit that subscribe button. There are lots more reviews coming, not just Tesla actually. There's some exciting things away from Teslas coming soon as well. Also, again, a huge thank you to Teslaunch for sponsoring today's video. If you'd like to learn more about their products, their website is up there, and there is a discount code and link in the description below. So if you're interested in buying these or any of the other accessories available from Teslaunch, a couple of which I reviewed last week, then get yourself over to the website, save some money, and enhance your Tesla. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. You take care. Bye. Taking wheel covers off. Bit dirty. Bye.